At an amusement park, roller coasters can be a lot of fun. During a ride, you go through ups and downs, twists and turns, and can even feel weightless for a few seconds. But what happens when your body is on an altogether different kind of roller coaster? What you eat and drink can also make your body feel like it's on a ride, one that isn't thrilling. Here's why. Your body gets energy from food that contains nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, and fat. But not all food is created equal. Take carbohydrates, or carbs, for example. You see, your body breaks down all carbs into sugar, which goes from your intestines to your blood. The word glycemic refers to the level of sugar in your blood. High glycemic carbs, like bagels, white potatoes, most breakfast cereals, and sugary drinks, can cause a surge in blood sugar, which gives you a quick burst of energy. But just as quickly, it crashes. And that makes the blood sugar roller coaster go up and down way too fast. Instead, a low glycemic diet is designed to keep blood sugar steady. Low glycemic foods, like carrots, peppers, and apples, break down slowly and gradually release sugar into the blood. Want to stay off the roller coaster? Eat a low glycemic diet and save the ride for when you pay admission.